my name is Marie Guerrero and I'm from the island of Guam. I'm here in your island country to kind of talk with you about our products. My company name is B&G Pacific. I own a restaurant on Guam, and I also own a manufacturing company where we do cookies. So in our facility we do Laddystone shaped cookies, which is iconic to our island. The Laddystone represents strength and foundation, so we like to perpetuate our culture through our food. All our cookies are manufactured in our facility, and they're gourmet hand dipped chocolate, white chocolate and milk chocolate. We also do regular snack packs where you can find us in the grocery stores on Guam. So thank you for having us here and having us showcase our items. And I'm also with the Guam Hotel and Restaurant Association, so I'm also here to kind of share our information with our neighbor islands in Palau. So thank you so much.